going to show you how to repair puncher quickly. So we've got a nail in here, probably the tire's not worth it, but I'm just gonna show you. So it can be a little bit challenged. Take it off. So we need to take it all out. Once you've taken it out, you try to make a bigger hole like this, yeah. The bigger the better. The bigger the hole the better. Tell you why in a minute. We'll make it nice and smooth. Like this. Now we get this ready. You just put it in the middle. Put this one in. So now, if we don't make it bigger, it's very hard to push it in. So now it's so easy. Just push it in, twist it and push it in. Yeah. I'll have to put this in here. See, if we made it a little bit more bigger, would have been easier. Yeah, you need it about that much. You just pull it out. Job done. And you cut it with this. Thank you very much.